Did you know? Research shows that people who ate eggs for breakfast ate 22% fewer calories at lunch than those who ate a bagel. Including protein in your breakfast is important because it provides long-lasting energy and helps you feel full and satisfied throughout the morning. Protein is an essential nutrient that helps repair and build muscles, support strong bones, and regulate metabolism. We've all heard the importance of protein, not just for building muscles, but also for weight loss. But some people in my community struggle with incorporating protein in their breakfast. Eating protein at breakfast actually can help you eat less as the day goes on, and it's actually very easy. If you're looking for quick and convenient options, some high-protein breakfast choices include Greek yogurt, eggs cooked in different ways, such as scrambled, fried, or in an omelette with veggies, and nut butter on toast, sausages, stir-fried tofu with veggies, or add protein powder to your porridges or smoothies or yogurt, and embrace different types of nuts and seeds. For a sweet option, you can add a scoop of protein powder to your oatmeal or smoothies, or have cottage cheese with applesauce or fruits. These are just a few easy ways to add more protein in the morning. Experiment to see which ones work best for satisfying your appetite the longest and giving you the most energy. When it comes to how much protein you should have for breakfast, the amount can vary based on your individual needs and goals. However, as a general guideline, aim for at least 15 to 20 grams of protein at breakfast, which is equivalent to about 2 eggs or a cup of Greek yogurt. If you're looking to lose weight, it's essential to keep in mind that protein-rich breakfast options can be calorie-dense, like nut butters or nuts or seeds, so be mindful of portion sizes. To get the most benefits of sustained energy and satiety, as well as balanced blood sugar, make sure to balance your breakfast with fiber-rich, complex carbohydrates and healthy fats for a nourishing, satisfying meal. Hopefully, these tips on how you can include protein in your breakfast have inspired you to experiment what gives you long-lasting energy and a feeling of fullness and satisfaction throughout the morning. That's it from me for today. If you're looking for done-for-you planning, make sure you check out the Stress-Free Cooking Bundle. All the recipes and menu options are designed to satisfy both your nutritional needs as well as your cravings. You can check out the bundle at helenwong.co.uk/stress-free cooking.